इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में आता है. So it is just few kilometers away from Srinagar and few kilometers away from Baramulla. And this is the only school which is the franchisee of Doon International Dehradun. There is no other school in Srinagar or Baramulla that is the franchise. There are people who are saying that we are the franchisee, but this is the only school which is the franchisee of that trusted brand, that is Doon International Dehradun. So that is the reason. And this school, about the location of this school, if you will see yourself, ये जो location है school की, it is so eco-friendly, calm environment where every child can come and enjoy their schooling, and parents are also confident that their children are in the safe environment.
मैम, क्यों आपके स्कूल को पेरेंट्स चूज करेंगे? क्योंकि कई सारे इंटरनेशनल स्कूल मार्केट में है.
जी जी.
क्यों आपके ही स्कूल को वालिदैन प्रेफर करेंगे?
हाँ, if you will talk about various schools, बहुत सारे schools हैं, big institutions are there, but every institution starts with a small. So right now we are a young institution. हमारा जो main focus है to give the individual attention, and every child should be catered. That is how we work, how we have started working. कि हमारा हर एक बच्चा हर चीज में, एक्टिविटीज में, be it the academics or extracurricular activities, they should be involved. If you will see today's event, we have this Kinder Carnival, and it is that from class nursery to second, every child is involved in the event. And if we talk about the stalls, Doon stalls जो हमने आज रखे हुए हैं, from class 3rd to 9th, सब बच्चों की participation. It is not with rest of the schools. I have seen only the exceptional students or the gifted students, they are being involved. But यहाँ पे हम लोग हर एक बच्चे को चांस देते हैं, हर एक बच्चा चाहते हैं कि वो ग्रो करे, because every child is different, every child is unique.
Now, what about the moral as well as the Islamic education?
See, I'll talk about, yes, moral education. We are doing moral education. This is a CBSE school. If we are all in Kashmir, we know that every child is getting this Islamic. This is not an Islamic school. This is a CBSE school. Let me make it very clear. But at the same time, we integrated. Islam हमें क्या सिखाता है? तालीम, वैल्यूज बताता है. वो वैल्यूज हम बच्चों को दे रहे हैं, बट ऐसे नहीं कि हम लोग एक इस्लामिक स्टडी यहाँ पे रखते हैं सब्जेक्ट. वी हैव द लैंग्वेजेस लाइक अरबिक, कश्मीरी, उर्दू, हिंदी. उसमें ही हम बच्चों को वैल्यूज दे रहे हैं जो बच्चों को जरूरत है आजकल के जमाने में. और सबसे बड़ी बात है, देखिए, आप वैल्यूज देते हैं लेकिन उसकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं होती. यहाँ पे हम बच्चों को जब ये चांस देते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज हमारे प्रोग्राम में आप देखेंगे माथ रेसिटेशन, वहाँ बच्चा इन्वॉल्व, तिलावत है, वहाँ बच्चा इन्वॉल्व. बट एट द सेम टाइम वी हैव टू एक्सपोज दिस चाइल्ड to different cultures also. They should be knowing. It is not अगर हम यहाँ पे कोई प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, कोई परफॉर्मेंस है, ये हम बच्चे को डांस या म्यूजिक नहीं सिखा रहे हैं. हम बच्चे को सिखा रहे हैं कि कल को उसको अगर कहीं पब्लिक के सामने उसको अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करना है, हाउ ही विल प्रेजेंट, हाउ दे विल बी एबल टू, वो कॉन्फिडेंस उनमें बिल्ड करने के लिए. इट इज नॉट, मोटो इज नॉट कि बच्चे को हम सिखाएंगे आप डांस करो या सिंगर बनो. दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट बैड. वो अपना अपना ये है, बट बच्चे में जो टैलेंट है वो हम बाहर लाते हैं.
मैम, व्हाट इज द विजन ऑफ Doon International School, Bhatt Colony, Singhpura Patan for the coming years?
Yes, sir.
As ma'am has already said, that our school is different from other schools in many ways. पहली बात ये कि हम बच्चों की तरबियत 3 levels पे करते हैं. We nurture morally and physically. We give moral education. We have Hindu students here. हमारे यहाँ हिंदू बच्चे भी पढ़ते हैं, मुस्लिम बच्चे भी पढ़ते हैं. This is a mixed society. We have no barrier for any student. Any student from every part of the country can come and learn here and join Doon family. Number 1. Number 2 is we have a clear vision that we want to build global civilized students. Look, we do not confine our studies to the 4 walls of classroom. We take students outside the classroom. Recently, we took the students to museum, Srinagar Museum. The students had Indian heritage and culture in their curriculum. We took the students to the museum and they practically they witnessed
culture.
What is culture, what is heritage. Likewise, we took them to Amar Singh College. They interacted with the students, grown up students at Amar Singh College. They interacted. They had a very wonderful time there. So we take the students to bikes sometimes. We take the students to hospitals sometimes, so that they learn the life skills. this is our clear vision that we want to prepare global civilized students.
सर नया स्कूल है यहाँ पे, तो पेरेंट्स क्यों वहाँ पे ट्रस्ट करें?
Right.
Because I'll tell you, जो मैंने अभी भी कहा, academics is our backbone. We believe that a school will be successful if they have a strong academics. But at the same time, they should balance the extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities. It is not only academics. Right now, if we are doing any event, we feel that they are doing, it is not just the entertainment. It is integrated with their academics. For example, we have this Kinder Carnival or we have this Doon Market. Kinder Carnival, we have themes. We have jungle safari for nursery. We have unity in diversity for class LKG. These are the themes. Why? Because they will learn so many things in a playway method. They will enjoy that. So here, and plus, most important thing, we give the individual attention. We have the small size in the classrooms where every child is catered. I have the passionate staff who is always ready to give individual attention to the students, because you know there are different kind of students in a class. There is a heterogeneity, but we need to cater each and every child. That is why parents should come. This is the right time. They should come here and they should join our school, and then they will see the difference.
आने वाले सालों में आपका क्या विजन रहेगा?
I want to add.
Ma'am, can you tell us about the location of the school and how
Yes,
it benefits?
I want to add something. Why should parents trust us? Now, this school is in infancy. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि हमारा रोल बहुत तेजी से बढ़ रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये पेरेंट्स का ट्रस्ट ही है. पहले साल जो रोल था, दूसरे साल डबल हो गया, और अब तीसरा साल एडमिशंस आर ओपन नाउ. From this date, admissions are open in Doon International School, but Colony Singhpora. So parents should trust us because we have different type of education. As I said, that we don't believe in classroom type of blackboard and whiteboard summary. We don't believe in that type of education. We teach the lessons of life to the students. One. दूसरा, आपने देखा कि ये स्कूल जो है ये हाईवे से दूर है. यहाँ पे कूल एंड कॉम एटमॉस्फेयर है, पढ़ने पढ़ाने का माहौल है. यहाँ पे बच्चे को एक वो माहौल मिलता है जिसमें सिर्फ उसको एजुकेशन के साथ वास्ता रहे, और हम उसको मॉरल एजुकेशन देने के साथ
It's not only the students, even the staff also.
Yes.
They have that peaceful environment where they can give best to their children.
And we have a robust transport system. We have 24/7 surveillance. CCTV cameras are installed in every classroom, every corridor.
Smart classrooms.
We have smart classroom. We have robotic lab. We have mathematics lab. No other school has mathematics lab. We have mathematics lab where students learn mathematics through fun. We have social science lab. We have artificial intelligence based English language lab. So our students learn English through AI. So the new concept, which is artificial intelligence, we have here. So parents should trust us and come here and feel the difference themselves.
कोऑर्डिनेटर्स हमारे साथ अभी हैं.
जी.
ये आईना माना जाता है.
जी.
Right.
तो कुछ ही साल आपको मार्केट में आए हुए हैं, तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा
सर,
और
इनको
क्या
दे दीजिए
अचीवमेंट
आप
है पिछले 3 साल से?
So very alhamdulillah, जो भी अभी तक experience है, it has been very enriching, and we are also getting a chance to speak in front of you. We are also having a chance to we are getting a chance to push our rooms forward in front of the school. We are very thankful to the school authorities that they are giving us these chances to come in front of you and tell our opinions to this school management. Also, I'd like to add that today we are holding Kinder Carnival, which is again an initiative which we have suggested to the school, that we will be holding a Kinder Carnival in the school. Here, all the students from grade nursery to 2, they are all performing on the stage. Not even a single student is left out. Every child is performing on the stage. They are different. Every classroom we have given them different themes. All the performances, whatever they are going to display today, it is all performance are going to revolve around those themes only. So this is how we are making students confident to speak in front of the stage, and we are enriching them. We are preparing them for the challenges that they are going to overcome. Overall activities, holistic development, we are focusing on that.
Ma'am, can you tell us about the location of the school and how it benefits parents?
It's already there. It's already.
So when we speak about the environment, the location of the
आपके
school,
पास
first of all, like we have already talked about the holistic development, right? But what do we exactly mean by that? We mean that apart from working on a student intellectually, we work on them physically, mentally, right? And when we go on to this component, that we want to work on our students for their mental well-being, this location plays a pivotal joint for that. Now I'll explain why. When the moment you will step into this premise, it is totally away from the hustle bustle of the city life, right? And it is green. It is the moment you step in here, you feel the sense of calm and peace within yourself. So the main motto of choosing this location for our school was to uplift the mental wellness of our students, which has always been the top priority in our school.
At the end of the day, what kind of message would you like to give to parents?
Parents should come and feel the difference. Every parent should come and find himself or herself the difference, because we are different. As everybody has said that this is a cool and calm atmosphere, this is perfectly appropriate for studies, teaching, learning. So apart from other facilities, robotic lab, mathematics lab, social science lab, we have Montessori type of education for these lower grade students, kindergarten students, nursery, LKG, UKG. We have Montessori type of education. You know that the education has undergone 360-degree shift from earlier education to modern education. In modern education, the child should be given holistic type of education. So we have type of education here, particularly in kindergarten, in the lower grades.
And my last question goes to principal, ma'am. Ma'am, now the admissions are going on. What is the procedure of admissions and when the admissions will be started in the Doon International School, Bhatt Colony, Singhpura, Patan?
See, we have started the registration from 8 September, since yesterday. So we will be having the registration open, and I would welcome the parents to come here, visit the school and feel the difference. At the end, I would like to say, we don't believe in quantity, we believe in quality. That is the most important thing, what the schools should do. It's not only, I'm talking about my school, but I personally believe it is out of experience. I have the 23 years of experience in education department. I believe that especially I focus with my school on quality, not the quantity. So every child should every child should feel the importance in the school. He or she should feel valued in the school.
Registration is open. Parents can go to our website. They find a link there. They will find a link there. They can click on the link and fill up the registration form. Otherwise, they can come to the school physically and register their wards here around.
Thank you.